Welcome, future entrepreneurs and business leaders. Today, we're diving into how to craft a winning business plan that not only impresses investors, but lays a solid foundation for your business's success. Whether you're starting up or scaling up, this guide is for you. Let's get started. A business plan is more than a document. It's your roadmap to success. It outlines your business goals, strategies for achieving them, and the potential hurdles you might face. Think of it as your business's blueprint, crucial for securing funding and guiding your decisions. First, the executive summary. This is your elevator pitch in written form. It should highlight your business idea, target market, unique selling points, and summarize your financial goals and needs. Make it compelling. This is your first impression. Next, dive deep into market research. Understanding your target market and industry trends is crucial. Identify your potential customers, their needs, and how your product or service meets those needs. Analyze your competitors to find your competitive edge. Solid market research validates your business idea and informs your strategies. Now, outline your business model and operations plan. Describe how your business will operate on a day-to-day basis, your supply chain, and your production strategy. Detail the logistics of getting your product or service to market, your business location, and the equipment and technology you'll need. Develop your marketing and sales strategy. How will you attract and retain customers? Detail your marketing channels, sales tactics, pricing strategy, and how you'll position your brand in the market. This section should illustrate a clear path to generating revenue. Let's talk numbers in the financial projections section. This includes your revenue model, startup costs, monthly operating expenses, and break-even analysis. Provide detailed projections for at least the next 3 years. This demonstrates your business's potential for profitability. Finally, outline your strategies for growth. Where do you see your business in the next 5 years? Discuss how you plan to scale operations, enter new markets, and expand your product line. Investors want to see that you're planning for the long term. Creating a detailed business plan might seem daunting, but it's a crucial step toward turning your business idea into a reality. Take it one step at a time, and don't be afraid to seek feedback from mentors or industry experts. Remember, your business plan is a living document. It should evolve as your business grows. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Have questions or need advice? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep planning and keep dreaming big.